Top 10, we going further. We were top 10, dead or alive, swear to God. You already know the vibe. Come on, we outside.
If you guessed that we're doing a downpipe, you are absolutely wrong. We went with VRSF, CATLESS downpipe, orange to 3.5, I believe. Pretty much just a straight downpipe, gets rid of the catalytic converter, and it's basically gonna make the car sound a lot more aggressive. Right now, you can't even hear that shit. No lie. We about to get this shit right. Really excited, bro, because this is supposed to really wake up the car, bro. Even without a tune. We won't be doing a tune today. I really just wanted some sound out of the car for now. Other than this, the car is completely stock, bro. Stock exhaust, stock everything, bro. Stock air filter. Nothing else on this car is tampered with. I guess this would be a good benchmark to see what a stock 335i would sound like with a Cat VRSF, man. Let's get it. Also got some brand new OEM clamps with an OEM gasket. I'll put the part numbers down in the description if you need it. But yeah, let's get this shit up in the air because I got work in a couple hours. Try to get this done before work. Alright, so we got the car in the air on jack stands. So we underneath right now. Got the downpipe right here. You can see from here to that other clamp right there. So it's just two clamps. My shit don't even got the other bolt right there. That's crazy. That's tough. Maybe this shit was tampered with, bro. I don't know. Maybe he did have something on before he crashed it and he took that shit off. That's most likely what happened. I'm about to see how I could get that other one. That other one kind of far. What the fuck? Alright, I'll be right back. So I was looking at this downpipe and it definitely has been touched before. Yeah, I could see that bolt up there. It has definitely been moved. See what I'm saying? It's not in the stock place, so this cat was definitely put back after the crash, probably. It's from New York, so it could have been put back for a smog test also. And then this bolt, they put that shit on so f***ed up. Like, it's so hard for me to get that bolt without some special tools. So I'm gonna wait for Brando, try to get something to reach that shit. Hey, bud. Man, I'm in a pickle. That's what real men do, you know. So there's two bolts left. Can't reach those bolts without special tools. Like with this basic shit, I can't reach it. Brando came, he suggested I take this off, which I did. A lot more room to see your leaking BMW. That's not what we're worried about today though. Where's my downpipe? Oh, okay, we're right here. All right, this is where we are. It seems like everybody in the videos just has that off already. Cause this is exactly how I look in the videos, bro. Y'all so ass for not saying shit. If you have a 335i, you're doing a downpipe, take that shit off. Damn, someone had to say it, bro. I wanted Brando to help out so I can record. Got you right here. Yo, this is not easy.
Not like there's literally like a little access hole that gives you straight to the bolt, like from this side.
What the fuck?
Flex head or a wobble.
I found an access port to the fucking bolt, bro. I don't even got an extension that long. Flex head type. You see that shit?
It's like 12, probably.
You hate me, right?
Huh? That's why you bring the toolbox close.
Wait, Brando. That was a 14. Whoops. You don't want a screwdriver, bro?
This other shit opened up wide. This one don't want to come on.
This shit might fling in my eye, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Let me get up out of here. Oh, yeah.
No, what's up with these shades, bro?
Bro, here, bro.
You gonna make my eyesight hurt.
Bro, they give you superpowers, bro. You don't want the glasses. What a guy. So because of Brando, I was able to film that for you guys. Hold up. Oh. Well, I gotta take off the O2 sensors now and transfer them. Probably do it with a fucking wrench. The stock downpipe is out. Look at all that bullshit, bro. That's what restricts your turbo, bro. Whatever the fuck is inside here, it's all that. Ain't it like white shit in there too? I got the new downpipe right here, CATLESS. You can see right through that bitch. 4-inch. We'll transfer the sensors now, and then we're gonna throw this in and see how it sounds. Burnt up that shit. I'm selling that shit. Who want it? Stock downpipe. Gotta pop the gasket out. Stuck a flathead in there real quick, and got it loose. Kinda almost like a paper material, bro. Shit falling apart. But we got a brand new one. Go ahead and throw the gasket in, and then we'll get the downpipe on. It's the exhaust side of the turbo right there. Tiny, tiny turbo compared to the Civic. Here's the new gasket. Threw the clamp on first. Chance light. What is it? I'll put it up. Let me see. Hold on. Let me put it all the way up. Let's see how I help you. Oh, there you go. Just now finishing up with the top bolt. It's probably the more difficult bolt of the two, just due to the angle. A bunch of extensions and flexes and bullshit. That would have pissed me the f off. Yo. Yeah, not deep enough, plus. Balls deep. Not enough. Deep socket. Alright, you strong.
That's the torque.
Nice. Hold up. Let me plug it in. Alright, so we got it installed. All the clamps are tight. You left your light under here, by the way.
Yeah, go back and listen.
Type shit for leaks. Got the clamps tightened. There's a lot more space without the cat, to be honest. Alright, let's see how it sounds. Dada man excited. Smell the fumes now. Thank you, bro.
Yeah, delete the muffler.
Good job, huh?
So you need to delete the muffler.
Wait till you see how it sounds with the driver.
You don't hear the wretched that be coming through here?
Like the raspiness?
It just gives it more.
See, let me rub it. Let's see something. We'll see, I'll take it out the garage. Still sound a little weak though, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, because it want more. It want to breathe more. Took out one restriction and left in 5 others.
Checking for leaks. I don't feel nothing. We're good, bro. Yeah, this resonator looks like it's shit. 2 resonators and a muffler.
Dropped at the corner and shit. I'm basically on a block. Needs more loud. on the block. It's chilling on the block. I don't even know what's going on right now.
Look at him now. My BMW broke baseline.
Cute. Just needs to be louder.
Yeah. My BMW, bro. It's good, bro. I just bought my shit too. This is my first mod. I just put it on. Downpipe. Yeah, it's clean, bro. It's clean. Stay safe, bro. You thought I was gonna meet up with him? Come on, Papa. You got the power in that, Papa. You got the power in that, Papa. Goodness, bro.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Once it really get warm, you can't even hear that shit, bro. It's not loud enough.
Jersey, know you heard it.
You want to reuse these tips?
Yeah.
You got the valve in here. Valve. This
Jersey, know you heard it. Jersey, know you heard it.
Yo, what the Yo. That sounds crazy. One more time, bro. So we just welded the flap open. That's in the exhaust. And it sounds a little bit different. It sounds a little louder, I'm not gonna lie. So I guess the flap was closed before. But we don't ever want that to close, so should be good now though. Sound decent though. Sheesh. Bro, that shit sounds crazy. Hey! I'm geeked, what? Hold up. Yeah. Nah, that shit sounds beautiful. Oh my goodness. So now that y'all heard with just the cat delete and you heard it with the cat delete and muffler delete, let me know what y'all think, man, because I think this is much needed. I thought it was gonna sound like this with just the cat delete, but definitely need a little bit more oomph. Oh, lot more. Oh, my ass. Can you help me out? Thank you. Appreciate that.
Oh man, that scared me. What if you don't come back for me?
Well, I've never seen this before, but I'm pretty sure this is for the rust. Sprays for the rust.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You look better, black.
Yeah, it does.
They gon' recognize now that I'm blasting. I done drop a couple for them.